Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it once you find it. In settings, scroll through the list of options and find the option called Sounds and Vibration. After you find it, tap on it. Then scroll to the bottom, and at the bottom you will see the ringtone option. And here we have the list of ringtones. There's quite few of them, so you have a lot to choose from. Also, you can listen to them by tapping on one. And you can basically go through them if you like to. So, find the ringtone you would like to use. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. And after it's selected, you can swipe right on the screen to go back, and the watch ringtone will be applied. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the ringtone on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.